In this video I'll tell you everything you need to know about TedsWoodWorking. Hello Woodworker, my name is Julia and today I'll tell you all the information about TedsWoodWorking. First of all, TedsWoodWorking works and I will show you the benefits of it. I also have a really important alert, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about TedsWoodWorking is that this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Now I will introduce you to the product. Imagine building any project you can dream of easily, quickly and hassle-free. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects, with already done-for-you plans with step-by-step blueprints that let you build stunning, professional woodworking projects? You will have step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. With the simple hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in a small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. In addition, you get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your money on wrong wood, wrong materials, or the wrong quantity. It saves time and cuts down waste. It saves money. You'll spend more time building, with sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. You also get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. You get details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. TedsWoodWorking is suitable for beginners and pros. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use the plans. You'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. The entire collection of plans covers everything from simple crafts to larger, more ambitious furniture and wood shop projects. There is something for everyone. TedsWoodWorking makes these 16,000 projects not only possible, but drop-dead simple. Plus you get free monthly plans for life. Get instant access to 16,000 projects now. I really hope this video helped you. Click on the link below in the description of this video to buy this great product.